Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. First thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just getting through it like that, you have your click-to-call phone number here that truly helps with quick conversions. You have nice pictures and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It used to give us a basic analytical view for a site. The first thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have in Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's only lower and you realize some of these tips, will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 74 backlinks coming from 25 referring domains or websites. A backlink is when you find one website linked to another via link or text. These links act like endorsement of your site from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 59 keywords and getting about 74 hits to your website per month. Let's take a look at your keywords. Looks like people are searching for a business name in particular. Great local by intent keywords, and those are the kind of the ones that you inquiry about. The local by intent keywords are the locations and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly realize them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I inserted mechanics in your area in Google, and I see what you call the map pack in your area, and down here is what we call organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 search on Google result page receives 75% of clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interact with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there, the citations, citations anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google's business profile. These are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click-to-call phone number here, images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 217 clicks to their website a month. They have 169 backlinks coming from 42 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and bid them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. People are also looking for their business name in particular, and their bit of local by intent keywords. Those are all keywords that you can utilize in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there is a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now, implement this strategy. There are a few ways you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.